Hello, so do you know how to work out this maths problem? Come with me. If you know how to work out this maths problem, please work it out. You can pause the video, work it out, then from there now we can able to share our answers. So let me take you step by step. Solution. So in our solution, we have 5 to the power of k plus 5 to the power of k is equals to 64. So the one is how we work it out. First, we factorize the maths problem. So here now we can work it as 5 to the power of k into bracket 1, add to 1 is equals to 64. Then from there now we work out the number that is inside the bracket. So that is to mean that we shall now have 5 to the power of k, which is equal into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2, is equals to 64. Then the next step is to divide both sides by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now we shall remain with 5 to the power of k. So 5 to the power of k is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 64 is 32, is equals to 32. So still we have not found the value for k. So the best solution that gives us the value for k is to introduce the log from both sides. So that means that we shall now have the log of 5 to the power of k is equals to the log of 32. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of m, this one can be done as m the log of p. So here now we shall have k, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 32. So what is the next step? The next step is to divide both sides by the log of 5. So here by the log of 5, then also this side by the log of 5. Then now from there now we shall now cancel the both log. Log k and log k cancel. So k is equals to the log of 32 all over the log of 5. Then now value for k is equals to, so the log of 32 can also be written as the log of, so assuming that we have 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, then 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 16 multiplied by 2, our answer shall be 32. So here now we shall have how many 2's? So now 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to the power of 5. So k is equals to the log of 2 to the power of 5 all over the log of 5. So next now we shall now say that k is equals to, so the log of 2 to the power of 5 can be written as 5 the log of 2 then all over the log of 5. So assuming that now we have the log a all over the log b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So finally our value for k is equals to 5 the log of 2 to the base of 5. So this one now qualifies to be our most correct answer.